Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve speech diagnostic calibration errors that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer when attempting to use a narration utility or using any sort of mic or microphone connected device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot, best match, should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters under options. So go ahead and select that. On the right side, underneath most frequent, select the audio troubleshooter and the run option. And then walk through the prompts that suggest you how to further troubleshoot the options here. So we're going to go ahead and initiate an automatic diagnostic utility. You may also have additional options like recording audio troubleshooter if you'd like to select those options as well. On Windows 11, they've changed to troubleshooting utility based on, I guess, new design features or whatnot. Windows 10, there's a little bit more robust options in there, but pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Again, you just would follow along with the on-screen prompts. Something else we can look into here as well would be to open up the search menu and type in Device Manager. Best result should go back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Now you want to go underneath the audio inputs and output section by double clicking on it, and then right click on your microphone device and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers and select Line Pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If you have a manufacturer specific one, I recommend selecting that unless there's only generic drivers available, in which case you have to select what the options are that you're presented with and select Next. Close out of there. And now you want to right click on the device again and select Properties. Select the Driver tab, and if it's currently disabled, so this device currently says disabled device, meaning that it's enabled. But if we were to go ahead and actually just disable it here, you should see there's now an option to enable device. Go ahead and enable that. Again, pretty straightforward process on that. And you also might want to close out of here and open up the search menu. Type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Sort your view by large icons and then select Sound. Now you want to select the Recording tab and then right click on the microphone device you want to set as default. You may have multiple input devices, which possibly explains some of your issue. You want to right click on the correct one you want to set as default, and then you would select Set as Default Communication Device. Again, you'd have that option if you had multiple in here. Since there's only one microphone device, it's only going to give you one option, so there's no option to set as default beyond just the normal as default. You can also select Set Default down here at the bottom here, again, assuming there are multiple entries in this list. And then you would just select Apply and OK. Close out of here, and then restart your computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.